Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. I have here something from FidgetBoy. It is the BooBooBoy. So yeah, let us get started and jump right into it and see what FidgetBoy is all about. Because FidgetBoy is like all the rage right now as an indie seller. FidgetBoy is on Etsy, but also has his own website. I think it's just FidgetBoy.com, but I'm not 100% sure. I will double check and like put it in the description. But yeah, this is just like a, yeah, get those pops in. Anyways, moving on. Let's just let's free this thing. I don't think there's anything else in here. So, zip. And, yeah. Alright. It is the BooBooBoy. Like a Band-Aid. And it looks... I love this green. It's a wild green. Looks pretty good. Yeah. And this like candy ribbon blue that runs alongside of it. Oh wow. That's nice. Ooh. Huh. Damn. Whoa. Whoops. So these are the plates. Gotta get that like airflow. Like, you know, air hockey, how they got that like those like pockets of air. So like air gets kind of trapped in here and enables it to slide. Holy shit. I had, you know, some expectations because this is like talked up a lot, but wow, my expectations have been exceeded. This is so damn snappy. So the magnets in here are like encapsulated. He prints them and stops the printing and puts the magnets in and then continues printing. So the magnets are printed like inside. They're just like, so it's like all one thing. It's all one body, as opposed to having like two things, like plates that you would glue onto the top part that I am like not remembering the name of. Oh my god. I wish I could do like tricks and stuff, but I'm like not good at it. I don't know any tricks. I don't know that sexton slide. I don't know why I'm like all the way up here. I should be in the middle of the frame. Listen to that. Oh my god. You guys. I should order more of these fidgets. Because this fidget's like, he makes a whole bunch of different ones that are like different designs, which is cool, instead of all just like the same shape in different colors. This one was a little bit more, more money. I don't know why I like did not remember the word money for a second. I'm like not remembering words today. I spent my day grading, guys. Leave me alone. My brain is like not there. So this was like 35, but his other ones are like 28 with free shipping in the US. And hot damn. I just cannot get over it. And it's comfortable too, because you got this little thumb placement and the sides. Comfortably move it. Wow. And it moves so well for being like, it feels very lightweight. It feels super lightweight. Let's check this out. Come on. Yep. It's only like 22 grams. Wow. Let's compare. What else is like 22 grams? I don't know. Whoop. How does it slide so well? Magic. Shoop. Yep. 47.7 by ooh, look at those sevens. I like sevens. 27 sevens. So 47.7 by 27.7, 7777, 7777. No, 47.7 by 27.7. It's wow. And I love this green. I wish the blue were kind of like a lighter blue, but this blue goes with the green. Stylistic wise, I'm just partial to light blue. Whoa. So yeah, guys, this BooBooBoy is just wow. It's just damn. I think you should get it. They come in multiple colors. He makes different colors, and I think he makes them like on a regular basis, because I see several of them. I see like a pink one, there's like a blue one, there's like a silver one. Yeah, when you're watching this video, I have no idea what he'll have, but there are colors, and there are multiple colors. And so if you want something that pops, that's vibrant, that's nice, that's lightweight, that's very snappy, it's not biting me, which is nice. I'm playing with it. I'm like being rough with it. Oh, it bit me once. I had to say it. I had to say it's not biting me for it to bite me. But if you want something that pops, that's just like... Oh, I didn't get the... Zoop. So this width is about like 16.2, and the smaller one is about like 25.5. So yeah, let's everyone usually knows the size of... I bring out the wrapped just to compare size. So it's bigger than the wrapped, of course. It's a little bit wider, taller, but this is the size comparison next to the wrapped, just so you guys can see, because sometimes measurements are just a little bit tough. And yeah, that's the most common one. If you want to see it next to, I don't know, here's a top C on it. It doesn't look so big now. Next to the top C, yeah, it's not that big. I kind of want to collect multiple colors now. Yeah, I think this is it. This is the end of the unboxing. A+. A+ for the BooBooBoy. BooBooBoy. And it's so cute. It just looks great. I mean, like, it's awesome. It's gonna stick on my magnet wall. This is where the lightweight ones go. So yeah, what are your thoughts on the BooBooBoy? Are you gonna get one? You gonna check this out? I think you should. I love how affordable they are too. But yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's have a discussion on this. I think it's okay, it's not glass. It's just whatever this material is. Gee, I have no idea. I'm not gonna make a guess. I'd have to look it up. But yeah, let us have a discussion about the BooBooBoy. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe for more content like this. Is there anything that you would like to see? Let me know. And I hope you have a fantastic day. All the wonderful days. And I will see you in the next video, guys. So, yep, have a great one. See ya.